Today guys, I'm going to be making Tom Kerridge's famous black pudding mashed potatoes. I've made these a few times before in the past and it's really delicious. Great with bangers and mash and many other dishes. If you're a fan of black pudding, you're going to really enjoy this one. All we're going to need for our mash is some black pudding. We're going to need some potatoes of your choice. We're going to need some full fat milk and we need some unsalted butter. So with this dish, the first thing I like to do is prepare the black pudding. So take a really sharp knife and just dice up your black pudding into nice big chunks. Once we've diced up the black pudding, just pop that to one side, ready to fry off in a few moments after the boring job of preparing our potatoes. So peel your potatoes, remove any blemishes or little bits of skin, and then just spend a few minutes with a sharp knife dicing them up into inch-sized cubes, roughly. Keep them relatively uniform so they cook fairly evenly, and then when you've got all your potato diced up, stick them into a bowl, because the first thing we're going to do is prepare the black pudding. So take a frying pan, add a splash of olive oil, get the pan up to a good medium heat, and chuck in your cubed black pudding. No need to season at this point, and black pudding only takes a few minutes to cook through. We just want to get a nice bit of colour and a little bit of a crust on the black pudding. And when it's ready, just simply pop that onto a chopping board and we're going to chop our way through it when it's ready to go into the mash. So you can leave your black pudding sat on the side while we cook our potatoes. So cover the potatoes with some water in a nice big saucepan and we just want to bring these up to a boil. So it will take a few minutes to get the water boiling, and then once the water's boiling, turn down the heat a touch and we want to poach our potatoes until they just start to get nice and soft. So keep checking the potatoes every few minutes, and as soon as they start to get soft, drain off the water. So pour your potatoes through a big sieve or a colander, and then I just chuck them straight back into the same saucepan that we cooked them in and pop them back onto the heat, turn it down nice and low, and then I like to break up the potato with a masher and just give this a few minutes stirring through on a very low heat just to evaporate a little bit of that extra water. And now add butter, add milk, keep mashing and stirring through, and we just want to make a standard creamy buttery mashed potato. So add sea salt and black pepper, add as much butter and milk as you need to get it to a beautiful creamy consistency, and as soon as it's ready we want to chop up our black pudding with a knife. Get it as fine as you can, pretty much, but we are going to mash it anyway, so really not too important. And then chuck your black pudding into the creamy mash and then work it for a few minutes until the mash is beautifully incorporated with the black pudding. It will become beautiful and purple in colour, so mash away until it's lovely and creamy. And now we're ready to serve our beautiful and indulgent black pudding mashed potatoes. So spoon your potatoes onto the plate. Really indulgent, really easy to make, and most importantly, really delicious. Black pudding mashed potatoes. So get cooking guys, and enjoy.